Their initial task? Secure the prescient habitat modules, compact, fully equipped structures designed to sustain life. These buildings, shipped in advance, will unfold like high-tech origami, providing immediate shelter, labs, and storage. The settlers will check oxygen systems, powered by a mix of electrolysis, splitting Martian water ice, and compressed reserves, ensuring breathable air. Every move will be cautious, even a small breach could be fatal. Within hours, they'll deploy solar arrays, the lifeline for energy, while the barren landscape stretches endlessly under a pinkish sky.
2 years later, Elon Musk and a larger wave of colonists will arrive, turning the outpost into a thriving hub. By then, the pioneers will have prepared expanded living quarters, greenhouses, and rudimentary workshops. Transport routes will emerge, pressurized rover paths connecting key sites, with plans for underground tunnels to shield against radiation. The first downtown might cluster around the landing zone, where modular buildings interlock like Lego blocks. Supplies will shuttle from Earth regularly, but self-sufficiency is the goal. 3D printers fabricate tools, and local materials are tested for construction. The colony's heartbeat is its oxygen farm, where algae and mechanical systems recycle air tirelessly.
Keeping things orderly on Mars demands ruthless efficiency. Every object is magnetized or tethered to combat the low gravity. Loose items could float into critical systems. Dust is a constant enemy. Airlocks and electrostatic filters keep it at bay. Water, extracted from ice deposits, is rigorously recycled. The colony's rhythm follows strict schedules, maintenance checks, crop rotations in vertical farms, and emergency drills. Over 2 years, the outpost grows from a few cramped pods to a networked base, with domes and buried structures offering radiation protection. The settlers' mantra: adapt or die. Even laughter feels lighter here, both from joy and the thin air.